most important things to consider when filing a patent application or making the decision to file a patent application are what are the deadlines that I have to be concerned about. First of all, in the United States, you have a 1-year grace period from when the cat is out of the bag before you have to file your patent application. Now, that doesn't just mean a sale of the product. In the US, it's a little bit hard to figure out. It could mean a sale, it could mean a presentation at a conference, it could mean a publication, it could also mean an offer for sale. So it's not intuitive what it means in the US, but the first time that something gets out of your company or out of your control, you might want to consider that the day when that 1-year grace period starts. Another deadline is if you decide to file a provisional patent in the US, which is a type of placeholder patent, you have 1 year from the date of filing the provisional patent application to turn it into a regular utility patent application. As it turns out, there's a third 1-year period to be concerned about. If you're concerned about international filing rights, you need to file somewhere, for example the US, before there's any public disclosure. If you file in at least one country that's a member of an international treaty that relates to patents, and most of them are, then if you do that before you have disclosed the patent publicly, within 1 year from that filing date, you can file international applications and they will consider them filed on your original date, so the fact that they have been disclosed will not matter. If you have, however, disclosed your invention in the US before you file at least somewhere, you probably will forfeit your international rights. Now, I mentioned the 1-year time period after you file to file international patent applications. They can be very expensive. So there's a way to get even additional time on that. There's a treaty organization called the Patent Cooperation Treaty, or PCT, and that can provide you an additional 18 months to decide in which countries you want to file internationally. Therefore, you can defer your cost and avoid paying a lot of money until you find out more about the market and/or your patent application. So there are a lot of deadlines to be concerned about in filing your patent application, but keep in mind that you do have a 1-year grace period in the US.